Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Vault Open Payments Gateway. Vault Open Payments Gateway is a service that allows businesses to accept online payments. It's aimed at small to medium-sized businesses looking for a relatively straightforward and affordable payment processing solution. Key features seem to include secure payment processing, integration with various platforms, and potentially customizable checkout options. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Vault Open Payments Gateway positions itself as a user-friendly and cost-effective alternative to larger payment processors. Their website emphasizes ease of setup and transparent pricing, mentioning no hidden fees and flexible contract options. They appear to use industry-standard security protocols for secure transactions. Availability is likely worldwide, but it's best to check their website for specific regional support. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Vault Open Payments Gateway. Setting up the gateway was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well-guided, and I was able to integrate it with my existing e-commerce platform within about 30 minutes. The interface itself is clean and intuitive. I found navigating the dashboard and managing transactions quite straightforward. I particularly appreciated the detailed transaction reports, which are easily downloadable in various formats. The payment processing speed was excellent. I haven't experienced any noticeable delays. I had a quick question about customizing the checkout page, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a clear and helpful solution. A standout feature for me was definitely the real-time fraud detection system. One minor drawback was the limited number of supported currencies at present. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Vault Open Payments Gateway. It's a reliable and efficient solution that has significantly streamlined my payment processing. That's my overview of Vault Open Payments Gateway. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.